In this guide, we're going over how wax relics work and why they can actually give you massive power in Act 2 for Slay the Spire 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, right after you do defeat the Act 1 boss, you're going to be entering in the beginning of Act 2, where you actually meet Teskotara, the Fire Ancient. And if you choose the Toy Box Blessing, you're going to receive 4 temporary wax relics. These relics provide strong immediate bonuses, which can dramatically boost your run right at the start of Act 2. However, there is a catch. After every 3 combats, the leftmost wax relic is going to disappear permanently, essentially meaning that the relics are going to slowly melt away over time, so the one placed first will be the first to vanish, and so on and so forth. Because of this, wax relics are best used for early momentum, but obviously this is because they allow you to push through the elite fights and more difficult encounters early in Act 2 while bonuses are still active. The mechanic can be especially helpful if your deck is struggling or hasn't fully come together yet, since the temporary relics give you that extra strength needed to stabilize the run. However, if your build already scales extremely well in the long term, you might consider skipping the wax relics simply just because they won't last into late game. If you do decide to take them though, try to path aggressively through elites early in Act 2, while relics are obviously still active so that you can maximize their value. As long as you use them correctly, they can turn a weak run into a strong one very quickly. But that is it. I know that was a lot to go over. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.